A wildfire can leave behind devastation, but it also creates an opportunity for transformation. After the ashes settle, rebuilding your home isn't just about restoration. It's about reimagining your space, elevating your lifestyle, and designing a home that exceeds all expectations. At Oceanfront Builders, we specialize in luxury redesigns that turn tragedy into triumph. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of creating a custom, high-end home after wildfire damage. From innovative designs and premium materials to sustainable, fire-resistant features, we'll show you how to rebuild a space that's not just better, but extraordinary. Rebuilding after a wildfire isn't just about restoring what was lost. It's an opportunity to create the home you've always dreamed of. Luxury redesigns allow you to reimagine your space, combining functionality, elegance, and resilience. Why choose a luxury redesign? 1. Upgrade your lifestyle. Include features like open-concept living, spa-like bathrooms, and chef-inspired kitchens. 2. Maximize your property's potential. Redesign layouts to enhance views, natural light, and outdoor living spaces. 3. Incorporate fire-resistant innovation. Build a home designed to withstand future risks with cutting-edge materials and safety systems. Examples of transformations. Turn outdated floor plans into modern, expansive layouts. Replace standard finishes with high-end materials like marble, quartzite, and custom woodwork. Integrate seamless indoor-outdoor living spaces that celebrate Southern California's climate and natural beauty. Luxury redesigns begin with careful planning and collaboration. Here's how to turn your vision into reality. Defining your vision. Work with a designer to create a clear aesthetic modern minimalism, coastal chic, or timeless elegance. Identify must-have features like custom wine cellars, home theaters, or gourmet kitchens. Reassess your layout to optimize space, flow, and functionality. Partnering with experts. Hire experienced architects and builders specializing in luxury homes. Collaborate with interior designers to create cohesive, high-end interiors. Consult landscape architects to design stunning outdoor spaces that blend with your new home. Leveraging technology, use advanced tools like 3D renderings and virtual walkthroughs to refine your design before construction begins. Luxury homes are defined by their materials and finishes. After a wildfire, choosing durable, high-end options ensures your home is both elegant and resilient. Fire-resistant building materials. Exterior siding, non-combustible materials like stucco, fiber cement, or metal. Roofing class. A fire-rated material such as clay tiles, metal, or slate. Windows and doors, double pane, tempered glass for insulation and safety. Interior upgrades, flooring. Choose premium options like herringbone patterned hardwood, large format porcelain tiles, or natural stone. Countertops. Elevate your kitchen and bathrooms with quartzite, marble, or granite. Lighting. Install custom chandeliers, recessed LED lighting, and accent fixtures to create ambiance. Sustainable luxury. Opt for eco-friendly materials like reclaimed wood or low VOC finishes. Incorporate energy-efficient features including solar panels, radiant heating, and energy-saving appliances. A wildfire offers the chance to redesign your home for today's lifestyle, integrating modern conveniences and luxurious features. Smart home integration automation systems control lighting, temperature, and security with your smartphone or voice commands. Smart safety features. Add advanced smoke detectors, sprinkler systems, and wildfire monitoring technology. Custom audio and lighting. Create the perfect atmosphere with integrated sound systems and programmable mood lighting. Indoor-outdoor living. Install floor-to-ceiling glass doors that open to outdoor spaces. Add outdoor kitchens, infinity pools, and fire-resistant patios for seamless entertaining. Incorporate landscaping that blends beauty with wildfire safety, like drought-tolerant plants and hardscaping. Future-proofing your home. Plan for multi-generational living with guest suites or detached accessory dwelling units, ADUs. Create flexible spaces such as home offices or gyms to adapt to changing needs. Luxury redesigns come with unique challenges, especially when rebuilding after a wildfire. Here's how to navigate them. Common challenges. Permitting delays. High-end projects often involve extensive permitting, especially in wildfire-prone areas. Material availability. Sourcing premium materials can take time, requiring advanced planning. Insurance limitations. Luxury features may not be fully covered by standard policies, requiring careful budgeting. Pro tips for success. Hire a contractor experienced in navigating local regulations and fire safety codes. Work closely with your insurance provider to maximize your claim and identify potential gaps. Build a timeline that accounts for sourcing custom materials and unexpected delays. Rebuilding after a wildfire is more than a recovery, it's a transformation. With a luxury redesign, you can create a home that reflects your vision, meets your needs, and exceeds all expectations. At Oceanfront Builders, we specialize in turning challenges into opportunities, combining expert craftsmanship with innovative design to deliver homes that are beautiful, functional, and resilient. If you're ready to rebuild beyond expectations, call 888-336-8586 or visit oceanfront.builders today. Let's create a home that not only stands the test of time but also redefines what's possible.